September 1st, and it's definitely a happy vibe in Bengaluru as pubs and clubs and restaurants have been allowed to serve liquor. And we understand now, of course, some mandates which are basically only 50% of the seating capacity. There are several precautions that have been taken. We're here at Sanchez in UB City, where you can see they have a completely contactless, a cashless payment mode as well. The menu too can in fact be scanned using an app where the menu actually comes on your phone in order to ensure that there's minimum contact that's maintained. Following that also, of course, you'd be able to see how they've actually put stickers on the floor in order to ensure the social distancing is maintained. You have a sanitizer here as well that has again been mandated at the entry point. You also have a thermal screening gun that you can see, and it's only once your temperature of course is of a permissible limit that they're actually going to allow you to sit. Very interestingly, now that liquor has been allowed to be served, you can see how the capacity of the seating capacity of this establishment has reduced by more than 50%. What we understand is that it was earlier about 200 persons, and it's now been reduced to just a mere about 90 people is what we actually understand. So you can see the space also of course between the tables. Joining me right now is in fact Chef Vikas, who's quite literally running the place. So first of all,
along with the team.
Absolutely. So first of all, I'd like to start by asking you, how has the experience been different for you?
See, it's been a challenging time for everybody. So we are happy to see happy faces all around now. And I'm sure with coming time, people will get more confidence with all the safety precautions. As you see, it's in place. They will come out more often.
Okay. Also, as a diner, how is the experience going to be different for someone who's coming in? A lot of precautions that have been taken in place. Ideally, of course, people have no reason to worry.
Very true. I think it's a personal take in the end of the day. As you see around, the number of people coming out has increased over the period of time. We have been open from June itself, and we have seen consistently the number of people increasing, because once you have a confidence about a location or about yourself that you will be taking care of all the safety precautions, you are good to go, because the world has to run. Everybody has to go back to what they do with the precaution. And that's what we have been doing out here, with all the possible precautions right from the entry point and even our back end. For our team also we do the same precaution. So they come in, their temperature check, there is sanitization, even another step of Arogya Setu for the team and the HR following it up on that. So I think once the precautions are taken to the required standards, there is less of worry.
Absolutely. Thank you. So, of course, you had it coming from the chef himself. You can see how, a minimal number of people have actually been permitted over here at this very outlet that we're at. We're actually going to go over and, try and speak to one of the diners over here who's, come out. And so I'd like to start by asking you, first of all, hi. You're probably coming out for a drink after 4-5 months maybe. So how does it feel? Does it feel safe? Do you feel okay stepping out?
Yeah, I'm totally fine, and I seriously, I'm confident about this place, so I don't have any issues.
Okay. Coming to you, I'd like to ask you the same. So, it is the middle of a pandemic. There are several people that are, worried, but you guys have taken all your precautions. I can see the masks, the sanitizers. Do you feel safe stepping out?
Yeah, I do feel safe, and I think people should get used to living with this corona situation now. So I feel it's totally safe, and we can look forward for the new economic.
Thank you.
Thank you.